एजी ओजी आगच्छ शृणोणे अहमस्मि मुदिता करोमि यत् यत् त्वमपि कुरु रे। क्यों चुप हो गए? अच्छा, आपको नंबर्स नहीं आते? संस्कृत में सॉन्ग तो ट्रांसलेट कर दिया, बट संख्या के बिना क्या मजा आया? तो चलिए अनिल कपूर के इस गीत के बाद हम जानते हैं हाउ टू से नंबर्स इन संस्कृत। प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभम कुर्मः। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न numbers. So let's get started and learn numbers from 1 to 12. Number 1 will be called ekam. Ekam. Mukham. Ekam. How many eyes are there? Dve netre. Ekam dve. Dve netre. Kati pushpani santi. How many flowers are there? Let's count. Ekam द्वे त्रीणि. त्रीणि पुष्पाणि. एकम द्वे त्रीणि. Just be careful while writing the spelling of Trini, because let's imagine Tra and Ra are sitting together and facing each other. So the matra will be, Tra matra will be pointing towards Ra and Ra's matra will be pointing towards Tra. So like that. त्रीणि. त्रीणि. कति यानानि सन्ति? How many vehicles are there? अस्तु, गणनां कुर्मः. एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि. So number 4 will be called चत्वारि. कति टेडी भल्लुकाः सन्ति? How many teddy bears are there? Let's count. एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच. The pronunciation of pancha is same like punching somebody. So let's do this action. Ekam dve त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच. Yes, that's right. Kati chatakaah santi? How many sparrows are there? Ekam dve त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट. Number 6 shut. The pronunciation is same like you say shut your mouth, shut the door, shut the window. Similarly, shut. Do not stress more on this t. Why? Because he is unmarried. Yes, he is a bachelor. You would have seen the previous episodes of grammar episodes where we have covered this story of t getting married to vowels a, a, e, e. Therefore, do not stress and ever say it shut up. No, just leave it shut. That's right. Let's move on to the next number. Kati bidalaha santi? How many cats are there? Ekam dve त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट सप्त. सप्त बिडालाः सन्ति. कति व्यजनानि सन्ति? How many fans are there? एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट सप्त अष्ट. अष्ट. Oh, the king of all the mangoes, आम्रफलम अत्र अस्ति. कति आम्रफलानि सन्ति? गणनां कुर्मः. एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट सप्त अष्ट नव. नव आम्रफलानि सन्ति. So all those Gujaratis, do you know Navaratri? Nava, where is the word coming from? Nava, 9. And if you are a Gujarati, you also love this festival of
और तीसरी शर्ट काटो छे.
चल चले वाली.
Uttarayanam, kite festival. So let us count how many kites are there. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, dasha. Dasha. Do you know what is the Sanskrit word for chocolate? It is chakaleham. And why so? Chaka comes from the word cocoa because it's made from cocoa powder, and leha meaning to lick. So one that is getting licked, so chakaleham. So let us count. Kati chakalehaha santi. How many chocolates are there? One for me, one for you, okay? Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, dasha. Now after dasha, we just have to make a word for 11. And how do we do that? What is 11? Correct. It's 1 plus 10. So word for 1 is eka. And word for 10 is dasha. We will not keep it simple as eka dasha. We will extend the a and say eka dasha. Eka dasha. So number 11 means ekadasha, and that's why a tithi of 11th day will be called ekadashi tithihi. Ekadashi. So tell me in the comment box, how many of you do upvas and vrat on the auspicious day of ekadashi? So 11 is called ekadasha. Now you tell me, what will be the word for 12? So all the cat lovers, bidalaha punaha atra santi. So cats are again here. Kati bidalaha santi. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, dasha. Ekadasha, dvadasha. For number 2, dva, and for 10, dasha. Together it will be dvadasha. So let's say it together. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, dasha. Ekadasha, dvadasha. Do you know why the current syllabus is having numbers till dvadasha? It's so because in the later chapter we are going to learn how to say samay in Sanskritam. To know how to say time in Sanskrit, we should at least know numbers till 12 so that it is easy for us to say kaha samayaha, what's the time? So stay tuned for that episode also. Now quickly take out your Pathya Pustakam, Prishta Kramang, Panchadasha. Page number, you tell me what is Pancha plus Dasha. What's the page number? That's right, page number 15. Let's solve the exercises. So first question is, we are shown the Sanskrit digits and we have to write the spelling, the words. So let's start the words. So let's see what are the answers. Pancha, Ekam, Sapta, Ekadasha, Dve, Nava, Ashta, Chatvari, Shat, Dasha, Trini and Dvadasha. So the question is, how do we recognize these types of numbers? Many of you would be confused in whether the number is looking like a 3 or a 6. It's 5 or 9. So we will clarify that in the next question right now. In order to match these digits and numbers, we should be able to read this. And in order to recognize what is written here and write the Sanskrit digits, again we need to learn step by step how to write Sanskrit numbers. So let's get started. Let's start with not Ekam but Shunyam. Yes, be proud that you are a Bharatiya and do a Shunyam. While doing Shunyam, the English number may look like an oval shape, but the Devanagari script, Shunyam will look like a perfect round circle and not a long oval shape. Astu. So this is shunyam. Next is ekam. Put a round shape again. Slanting line towards left, towards right with a small curve. This is ekam. Number 2, dve will be written as simple as this with a round shape and going curve. Trini will be looking like this, English number 3 with a tail. Trini. Like a round cross ribbon, this is Chatvari. Now the next number, Pancha, looks like a person sitting on an armchair. Aram se. So, it's like this. Pancha. Now do the mirror effect of Trini. So the number will look like Shat. Only thing is, mirror effect will not work for this tail. The tail is going in the same direction. Now, you would have heard the quote, Chhattis no akro. What does that quote mean? Any person who is opposite in nature is called a combination of the number Trini and Shat, 3 and 6. So, it looks like this person is pointing towards this side and this person is pointing towards this side. They never match. So the people who are having different opinions about everything, they are like this. Shatrin Shat. Let's come back to solving this. Shunya ekam dve trini chatvari pancha shat. Have you eaten jalebi? So you make round and round jalebi and eat it, especially during Dussehra festival. So just start the center portion of the jalebi and it will look like Sapta. Sapta. Now imagine a Dadaji here, your grandparent. Now the grandparent is unable to walk without a stick. So here is the stick. Dadaji is holding the stick and walking. Just reverse this stick and it will give us the shape of Ashta. Ashta. The last letter Nava is a combination of Shunyam and again this Dadaji ni lathi. So Shunyam shape and goes like this. So can you observe this shape of same Ashta with a Shunyam? So this is a shape of Nava. Now tell me, where is Pancha among these? Here it is. Where is Ashta? Oh, here it is. Dadaji ni lathi. Dvadasha. So 2 plus 10. Dvadasha. Here it is. Oh, what a combination. A line, perfect line. Chatvari. So a ribbon-like shape. 4. Nava. Our Shunyam with Dadaji ni lathi. Nava. Here it is asked to write the numbers in Sanskrit digits. Let's start that. Ekadasha, Nava, Shat, Ashta, and a person in an armchair, Pancha. Today I am in a mood to do activity with you. So you complete your activity and I will be doing it with you. Let's do it together. Let's find Ekam. Where is the digit Ekam? Oh, Astu Atra Asti. While joining the dots, I have only one request. Just say the words the Sanskrit words, for the digits, for the numbers, and then do your activity. Ekam, dve, trini. Where is Chatvari gone? Oh, here it is. Chatvari, pancha, shat. Oh, here is sapta. So we'll join it here. Sapta, ashta, nava. Dasha, ekadasha, dvadasha. And we have completed with our Meenaha, Matsyaha. You are free to use your pencil colors, Varna Ankani, and color the Meenaha. Don't forget to do the background with Neelaha Varnaha to make water. Okay, another very interesting activity related to Sankhya. Here they have given some words in the Manjusha in the bracket, and we are supposed to find it from this and circle it. It can be vertically, horizontally, slanting or reverse. So just be very careful. I want you to stop the video right here, solve it by yourself, and then verify the answers if you are not finding any word. Till then, what's this? A spelling mistake in a textbook? Not done. Let's correct it. Come on. This will be A. Okay, let's find the first word. Dvadasha. If you have got your answer, give yourself a score and let me know how many did you score. You scored pancha marks or nava, or you got it all correct. So let me find Dvadasha. I'll do one thing. I'll just randomly say this and find the words given there. Okay, let's see how fast can I do. I want you to on your timer here and let's find out if I can solve it in exactly 1 minute. Can I solve it in 1 minute? And the timing starts now. Where are you, Sapta? Where are you? Kutra si Sapta? Oh, shut up. I got Nava. Finally. Oh, I also got Dasha. So 2 more score. Oh my god. I think I'm very late. So tell me if you could complete it in a minute's time. All the best. Let me find out what is left. Ekadasha is done. Dvadasha is done or what? Oh, Dvadasha. Okay, I think I have completed everything. Only I forgot. No, not forgot. Parivar. Only I was finding for Nava and Dash. Otherwise, I could have completed. So here is my score. You can tally this. Out of Dvadasha, I was not able to make this 2 within the time. So my score is Dasha. Let me know your score in the comments. Astu, Dhanyavadaha, Punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.